got done with a wonderful stay at the Ritz-Carlton Waikiki, and I want to give you a tour. Hi, it's Erica from the Hawaii Vacation Guide, and I'm going to show you what makes this off-beach hotel so special. The Ritz Waikiki feels so different from so many of the other resorts on Waikiki.
All right, let's do it.
The best way to describe this is it is urban luxury living. At this hotel, you stay in residences that are each privately owned, but they are maintained and kept up to the Ritz standards. So it is a unique hotel experience in Waikiki. The Ritz Waikiki is located away from the beach, but it's near all of the luxury shopping, with high-end stores like Gucci just steps away from the front door. Even though the hotel isn't beachfront, Waikiki isn't huge, so you're only about a 10-minute walk to the beach. Even though it's away from the beach, the hotel offers spectacular views from the rooms, so though you're not sitting with your toes in the sand, you can still sit out on your lanai and sip your morning coffee while enjoying the view. All right, so I just wanted to pick up some snacks for the room. I ran into Island Country Markets, which is like an ABC store, but with a, prepared food section and counter and little coffee bar. Actually, there's a really great selection of things. They also have a Demon DeLuca here, as well as an Italian restaurant and a sushi restaurant within the hotel. So there are lots of food options, literally right at your doorstep at the Ritz. So here are some things we absolutely loved about our stay at the Ritz Waikiki. First was the pool. So they have 2 infinity pools, one of which is adult only and one of which is family friendly. So obviously we spent our time at the family friendly pool. When we first got there, I was a little surprised to see that the pools are on the smaller side, but I realized that they're rooftop pools, so the size makes sense. Fun fact, they are the highest pools in Waikiki, so you get a great view from the pool. The pools ended up being a right size, just the perfect size for us, and were a lot of fun. We had a cabana and spent hours there one afternoon, and it never felt crowded, unlike what you'll find at a lot of the other hotel pools in Waikiki. Plus, these pools and the whole pool area was so clean and well done. It was practically sparkling. It was so enjoyable and luxurious. The second thing we absolutely love about this hotel are the residences. So Jordan and I are pretty torn between whether we like vacation rentals or hotels better. But here you get the best of both worlds. So you get the amenities and the service of a luxury hotel, but you also get the functionality of a vacation rental. We stayed in their smallest room and it was still huge. So we had a kitchen, we had laundry, we had a sitting area with a fold-out couch, we had a great lanai, which we took advantage of. I really feel like we could have moved in and been very happy there. And another thing that just really sets this hotel apart from everywhere else is the service. So Ritz-Carlton hotels are known for their service, and this hotel is no exception. Everyone was so friendly, helpful, and just truly kind. So they wanted to make our stay as comfortable as possible. And I should note here, we were full paying guests. We got no discount. This wasn't sponsored in any way. They are just like that with everyone who stays there. The service is extraordinary and probably the best I've ever had. And this service elevated the whole experience so much. So we so enjoyed our time at the Ritz Waikiki. It was away from Waikiki Beach, a little tiny bit quieter, and we just really thought it was such a different and wonderful spot for a hotel, and we truly can't wait to go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in learning more about this hotel, click the link down in the description below, and we have some information for you and a link for you to book. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.